So hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to download and install Battlefield 6 open beta on your PC on any platforms like Steam, EA app or Epic Games, and how we can do this. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one, we need the app. For example, if you don't have EA app, so just go over here in the Google Chrome, search here for EA app download. Now getting to the first site that's showing in front of you guys, you can click on this one. Now download the official EA app. Click on the download the EA app. Once you successfully download the EA app, this is how it looks like. You have to sign in or make an account, then this is how it looks like. Now we can just go over here at the top, search here for Battlefield. You have to do the same for any game if you wanted to download. Search here for Battlefield 6 open beta, then press enter. Now when you search for, you'll be getting these options, and right now click on the Battlefield 6 open beta. Now once you get into this, you can click on the download where the game will be downloaded. Now we can select where you wanted the game. If it is on C, you can select C. If you wanted to change the C, you can change it. Then you can just go for the next, and you need around 39.35 GB. So make sure that you have enough space. Then you launch the game. This is what you have to do. If you're on the Steam, just make sure the same. You just need to go over here. Instead of EA app, you have to search for Steam download. Then search it on the Google Chrome. Now go to the first site that pop up here. Now this is the official site where you can download the Steam. Then download the Steam. After the Steam successfully downloads, you can just go over here, open the Steam, make sure that you have an account, go to the store or home page. This is how it looks like. Now over here at the top in the search bar, you have to search here for Battlefield 6 open beta. Just search here like this. Now over here like this, or you can search Battlefield 6. Now go for the Battlefield 6 and select this. Now once you select this, you can see you'll be having an option here for play the Battlefield 6 open beta. For me, I have already having the game. To the users who are watching this for the first time, you will be having the option here to join the beta access. Just click on the beta access. You have to click on the join, and once the game developer approves the beta access, you can download the game and you can play it. The game is around 38 GB, so make sure that you're having the enough space. For now, the Battlefield 6 open beta is available from August 9 to 10 and 14-17 with early access to 7 to 8, and the preload will begin on August 4. Now we can launch the game. Now if you wanted to download it on the Epic Games, just go over here. Instead of the Steam, we need to search for Epic Games launcher. Then you have to click on this particular one. Now we need to download the Epic Games launcher, install on Windows, download it. After download, if you go to the Epic Games, this is how it looks like. Now from here, as you can see, you have to search here for the Battlefield 6. Now the Battlefield 6 is here. Now we can go for play now. So the game will be installed. Then you can play the game on the Epic Games. So this is how we can do this, and I hope this quick video is helpful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon next video. Peace out. Bye bye.